How long?
For 2 hours.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Need something more?
No, thanks.
Who did it?
I did it.
Who is laughing?
My sister is laughing.
What's that?
It's a joke.
What else?
That's everything.
What to study?
Study math.
Who cares?
I care.
Who am I?
You are you.
How much?
$20.
Why them?
Because they're experts.
Who is he?
He's a teacher.
Who is it?
It's me.
What's next?
Homework.
What's for dinner?
Spaghetti.
How to say?
Just say it clearly.
Can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Can you help me?
Of course, I can help.
Where to go?
Go to the park.
Where is it?
It's on the table.
Is it far?
No, it's close.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Are we late?
No, we're on time.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Do you know?
Yes, I know.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Have you seen?
Yes, I've seen it.
Have we met?
No, we haven't met.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very good.
Is it bad?
No, it's not bad.
Will it rain?
Maybe, I don't know.
Will you come?
Yes, I will come.
Can it work?
Yes, it can work.
Can we start?
Yes, we can start.
Should we go?
Yes, we should go.
Should I bring?
Yes, bring it.
Is it ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Is it done?
No, not yet.
Do you want?
Yes, I want it.
Do you need?
No, I don't need.
Have you been?
Yes, I've been there.
Have you done?
Yes, I've done it.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Can I have?
Yes, you can have.
Where are we?
We're at home.
Where to put?
Put it there.
Is it new?
Yes, it's new.
Is it old?
No, it's not old.
Will it fit?
Yes, it will fit.
Will we see?
Yes, we'll see.
How's that?
It's good.
How's your cold?
It's better now.
How was it?
It was fun.
Then when?
Tomorrow.
When will he do the work?
Next week.
Who is that?
That's my friend.
Who now?
My brother.
Who knows?
Nobody knows.
Who are they?
They are my classmates.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
What's this?
It's a book.
What's up?
Not much.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
When to come?
Come at 5.
When will you come?
I'll come at 6.
Why not?
Because it's late.
Why to go?
To see a movie.
Why should I go?
Because it will be fun.
What will happen then?
We'll go home.
So what?
It doesn't matter.
Why to use?
To make work easier.
Why him?
Because he's smart.
How often?
Once a week.
What's that?
It's a cat.
What is it?
It's a phone.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Why to study?
To learn new things.
Why you?
Because I volunteered.
Who ate?
I ate.
Why us?
Because we're a team.
Who came?
My cousin came.
Why to go?
To get some fresh air.
Why so?
Because I said so.
How to go?
By bus.
Why me?
Just because.
Who is next?
You're next.
How far?
5 kilometers.
For whom?
For my mother.
How old?
10 years old.
How old are you?
I am 22.
Then what?
Then we eat.
What's up?
Just chilling.
What now?
We wait.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
For what?
For the project.
How annoying.
Very annoying.
Why now?
Because it's time.
How many?
3.
What about?
About the party.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!